Alright, so that should be it for the 2 days, guys. Wait, no, not the live. My bad. I was doing the lineups. Yeah, Slushy is on a lap right now. Prismatic as well. Oh, someone went little gun. Oh, he's just moving out of the way, I believe. Oh, Slushy aborts his lap. Oh, Prismatic keeps going. Coming into turn 4. Yeah, does that pretty nice. I believe it goes purple again. I believe he did last lap as well. Interesting line there. Oh, hits the wall again. Hits the wall again and gets and plays gone. Is he aborting or keep going? Yep, he's just keep going. It's not over, man. You touch the wall again? No. I mean, yeah, it's a little touch, but nothing major. Goes purple by 1/10. No, that's not invalid. What? All right. Lucky Trismatic there. Oh, but he got no the ERS. Coming over the line. No, he's pitting. Okay, he aborted this lap. Slushy as well. So is Camelus on a lap? He is. He's up by 2/10. I think he aborted. Let's watch Lil Gunna's lap. Nice turn 1. Oh, Slushy is on the lap. Alright. Turn 2 pretty good as well. Using that ERS. But he might be getting dirty here from Slushy there. Brakes. Wow, does that really good. Okay. Really nice as well. It's up by 2/10, so he does go purple in the first sector. He's improving, that's good. Will we say 138 today? Oh. Really nice castle that. Yep, Slushy moves out of the way. He probably made a mistake or something. So, I don't think anybody else on the lap. Prismatic is done. He will be P2 currently. He's P2 currently. Slushy, I don't think he's coming on, going on another lap. Lil Gunna is just improving by 3/10. Will we see 138 today? Really nice that he also got a lot of ERS. That is looking good for him. Yep, Camelos is going to the pits, and I believe Slushy is my bad. Slushy is going in as well. Lil Gunna, no, 139.2. He probably lost a lot of time on the straight. Not sure. What a lap though. So 5 flights out, and away we go. So, oh, someone Slushy retired. Oh, Trismatic makes the move for P1. Slushy just retired. I don't know why. Oh, there's contact. We cannot see it. Wait, why can we not see it? There's contact. It looks like the Ferrari has end plate damage. Oh, and the Williams as well. So Josh is up by a few places, honestly. Oh, there's an Aston who just made a move. Lunge. Alright. So, there's a yellow flag behind. Oh, what happened? There's an Aston. Turn around. Yeah, man, we got full front wing damage. Oh, did he just crash on purpose? No, okay. Oh, Carrot Head got also full front wing damage, and anyway, yeah, assist this on a lonely race. Joss, what a start! He's made a brilliant play. Okay, so here is, so it's recommending 2 stops or 3 stops. Okay, Shifty is out. What happened? Okay, we don't know. I think he went in the, oh, and the Red Bull. Red Bull. Where is he? Where's the Red Bull? Red Bull's there. Okay, so Haas, the slushy of Haas and Swifty, Ferraris is. You can get people out to join this league who know how to race. I know Jay could not race, Noah could not race, and more people. Can we restart? What? No, we're not restarting. We're not restarting. Just take the clip and. Okay. It's a safety car. How are you speeding in the pit lane? Restart? No, we're not. We are not restarting. Oh, we're back to racing. Okay. Oh, Trismatic's gone. Trismatic is gone. So we have a fight over here. DRS open. Will he go for it? On Blaster, they're side by side to turn 3. Sorry, it's a league, bro. They need to learn how to race properly or be patient. Really, not that hard. Yeah, no comment. I mean, I do have a comment, but it would offend people. Yeah. Anyway, and David is in the fight now. It's not looking good for Camo. He's had a tough start, tough restart especially. So yeah, Trishmatic is 1 second ahead of Logana. Never mind. Yeah, I mean, it's race 1. Give people time, it'll get better. In Castle. But hey, that's what I will do. I backed off. Just send the clip to the FIA, okay? So, S has gone fastest on hards. Trismatic tried to do it on the softs, but failed. Then Logana took it away on the mediums. Now S has done it on hards. S has done good. P4. So Logana is catching Trismatic. I think the tires of Trismatic is just dropping. Or just right here, they're alongside. What's happening? They just braked. Okay. I mean, it wouldn't matter if Logana would have just kept going. Yeah, okay. So, Logana has taken the lead from Trismatic. Oh, wow, that was really close. Oh, my heart dropped. That was gonna get another safety car. Yeah, okay, there's a fucking another safety car. How many what the fuck? How have we got like, it's a third safety car in lap 7, mate? What are we doing, honestly? What the are we doing? Let's check the penalties. Yeah, David Elder got 20 seconds. No. So what are they gonna do? Yep, Logana is gonna pit. Trismatic follows. Amadeus as well. Will he fix it? Oh, Trismatic! 10 seconds! Oh, that's gonna cost. Okay, SF hits as well. No 10 seconds. Yeah, I think everybody's pitting. Other than Manby, but I don't think. Oh, Trismatic gets up ahead! Trismatic is ahead, but he got the 10 seconds! He was fighting for the lead! Oh. Esse! He's gone ahead of Amadeus. I think he fixed his front wing though. Yeah, he fixed his front wing, so could get it back. Oh, that's heartbreaking for, yeah, 10 seconds. David? Is he pitting? Yeah, he just pitted. I can't see. Oh, goodness, is he boxing? He is boxing Trismatic as well! Oh, well, okay. Oh, that's... I think... So Esse takes the lead. S is doing good, but I think you should pit again for hard, and Amethyst is on medium. He's on medium. Manwy up to P3 though. What is? Oh, this happened. What happened? I mean, he has a lot of front wing damage. Yeah, so we are going right. Okay, we are going right now. Essa leads the way still. Amadeus 2/10 behind. Oh, he's trying to go for it. Does not make it. Oh, Prismatic and Loganus up to P3. What's happened with the Red Bull? Prismatic is he going for it? He is. Oh, he's hit the wall. Oh, Trismatic's out. What? Trismatic is out. Mate, we got another safety car. Please be a virtual. I think it's a virtual. Oh my god. Can we get to racing, man? Oh. This camel some time to catch up, hopefully. Drive through penalty speeding under safe. Okay. Yep. I think he did. No, he hasn't. So Logan is back up to the top 3. He's chasing Amadeus. Like Alonso was trying to catch Hamilton in Singapore this year. Can I go commentate with you? I don't think they can hear you though. That's I don't know how to change that. If you can find out how I can change that, yes you can. So, Amadeus. Yeah. Okay. Amadeus, will he go for it? No. Manwy pits. Yeah, David as well. So let's not take our eyes off this fight. Let's just look. Oh, now it's the DRS. He's catching really fast. He takes the inside. Yeah, and Amadeus doesn't even defend it. Hello? So Lil Gunner fastest lap. Essa got 10 seconds. Speeding in pit lane. No, he was doing so good. But yeah, that's Lil Gunner back in the lead. Doesn't shock us. What a race he's having. Yeah, he's gapped. I'm not gapped him, but it's 8/10, 9/10. Okay, the braking zones I'm just gaining a bit, but never mind. What the fuck? Yeah, I can hear you. I did it. What the fuck? It was man, right? Oh my, Amadeus is. Oh, he's fast. Okay. Alright, so Amadeus is fast. Asset does have damage though. So yeah, I think Asset hit the wall. He's got end plate. Yeah, and Asset's out of DRS. It's not going as good as he wanted, but if you're watching the stream, Trismatic recommends you to box on mediums if you haven't no ones. Yeah, he's boxing. Hey, he did it. Nah, this delay. Break. Go slowly. Yeah, he's careful this time. So Camel, can he get? Yeah, he's getting past. I think Asa is also gonna finish this one for me. As Camel is going past. Yeah, and also the penalty is getting removed. But the Aston, will the Aston get though? He's on. The Aston. Aston, go! Oh, I was just lagging. Okay, my bad. Aston does stay ahead of the Aston Martin. Yes. Yes. Camel has DRS. Where we see a dive bomb. Yeah, oh, S has no battery. And he's still using it. What's he doing? Camel. Open DRS. Uses the battery. Yeah, I said got 10% left. Oh, he's really close to the wall. That's. We finally got racing again. Don't mind me, goes to the pit. Oh, almost speed there. As David gets past. But let's not keep our eyes off that of the fight here for Camel and Esse. For P3. Esse was saying he thinks he'll be fighting for last. But it looks like he's fighting for a podium here. Oh, Esse has a big slide there. Really? Okay, so I've heard Esse has never got a podium in any leagues. So this would be really good for Esse. Probably really good for him to get the podium finally. Oh, how is the okay? Yeah, he's getting past. Look at the battery of Esse, 6%. Yeah. He's not even trying. Okay. So Esse is down off the podium. Heartbreak. As Camel goes to P3. Gaining on Amadeus. Oh, Amadeus pitting. Oh, will that? Oh, is that gonna be a mistake? Will he lose? We'll see. We'll see. Esse might get a podium. Why is Amadeus pitting? There's one lap left. What is? Oh, Amadeus is. What is he doing? Why did he pit? He was comfortable in P2. Oh, don't watch that voice crack. Don't watch that voice crack. Yeah, he just lost 6 points, so that brings Williams down in the. So, coming through the last few corners, Logana, dominant race, hasn't made a single mistake. Yeah, he was his front wing, but he made good use of the new tires he got after that front wing. And is going on the final straight. Mate, it's looking like it's 1 minute. In his first ever race, in all competition, he wins! He wins! And Manui is, yeah, he finished as well. Oh, Amadeus! Esse is bottling! Esse! It's not over! Oh, they're side by side in Castle. Oh, this. Oh, that will be looked at. What a win! Let's go. Logana says in the chat. What a race, Logana. Amadeus has more damage, but yeah, as it's only unplayed, I think. Yeah, it's only unplayed. So Camel P2. What a drive! He gained. Let me check. He gained up 3 places. Okay, Logana just beat him by 1 minute. 1 whole minute. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, as you can see, Camel is already celebrating, weaving around P2, and that's Amadeus P3. Heartbreak for Esse in P4. Lost the podium on the final lap. So we'll be watching David, who did not get a lap. Cammy doesn't deserve that. Cammy does deserve that. I don't know why you're saying Cammy doesn't deserve that. That was a great drive from Cammy. Yes, there was some contacts there and there, but mate, it was a good race. I mean, it was a decent race. Good race, bit chaotic. Yes. So, FIA to do. They have some work to do. FIA has some work to do. So maybe this is not a Camel podium or Amethyst podium. Maybe even Essig is a podium. But I don't think Logana is losing that win. 1 second, and we can give him 50-second penalty. He'll still be he'll still be P1. But I don't think I've ever seen this. 1 whole minute. Could have left the whole grids, but yeah, they were pretty close there at the end.